Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you all once again to this channel. Today I'm going to make a video on the LigParGen software, which is widely used in molecular dynamics to generate OPLS-AA parameter compatible with various softwares like GROMACS, LAMS, Charm, and many other also. So here I am on the LigParGen web server. So as you can see that this LigParGen is a web-based service that provides the force field parameters for organic molecules or ligands offered by Jorgensen group. So this is from a group. Those people have generated this web server to provide the force field parameter. And this LigParGen provides bond, angle, dihedral, and Lennard-Jones OPLS-AA parameter. With these two are kind of a charge model like this, based on the CM1A and CM1A LBCC partial atomic charges. And this server also provides the parameter and topology files for the commonly used molecular dynamics and Monte Carlo packages, OpenMM, GROMACS, NAMD, Charm, LAMPS, and so on. And it also supports the input formats as SMILES and MOL and PDB. Then the maximum ligand size it can allowed with 200 atoms. And here also you can check this link to get your to install this software in your local computer, and some other whatever the issue if you are getting, you can also address your issues here. Okay. Now here you can see that there is an option for us in the step 1, that is the input structure. Here is the option for SMILES, and then or you can also upload this mol or pdb files. And in the step 2 we like the options are available, like first this molecular optimization iteration, and also you can select the charge model which we have just discussed above. And then after that you can generate your molecule, and you will get the various files for the same molecule. So first what I will do, so here you can see that there is an option as sample benzene. So first I am going to click on this, and you see what changes will be going to occur here. So I'm clicking on the sample benzene. You see at the SMILES this C1 CCCC1, so this value came here. And if I will click on the submit molecule now, and here the just the base default charge model I am using, so I'm submitting this molecule now. Now you see this parameter and topology file successfully generated for the molecule that we have given. And here you see that this is the ligand that we have submitted, and this is like this and all of these files related to the same molecule are present here, like the xml, pdb, prm, rtf, which we can use later for generating for doing our simulation in various softwares. So you see this lamps file and various other files are given, but here as a whole we can get all the files that are present over here. You can simply click on this zip, and the zip file has been downloaded for us now. So I am opening here. You see that inside this you will get all the files, whatever is related to this molecule, you will get all inside that particular zip. Okay. So now what if you want to give your own molecule? Suppose you have any other molecule other than this sample benzene. So how to do that? So here is the option that you can choose the file. So here suppose I am going to choose any organic file. So I have this urea pdb file here, so I am simply opening it here. You see that now urea.pdb file is like now it is present here. Now if I will do a submit on this molecule, And now for this we are again redirected to the another page of the same web, like this LigParGen web. So this parameter and topology file has been generated for urea as well, and here you will also see the same kind of files that are present here, like all these charm, whatever is required for a particular software, all those we got. And in the latter part you can also download all the jeep as we have downloaded for the benzene earlier. Similar way, you see this is the another one which we have downloaded for this urea molecule, and based on this you can get all those files, and you can see later that what is the information that are written in the given file and all. Okay, so in the subsequent step I will also come up with more videos that what to do with all these files which we have generated using this LigParGen software. And for today's video, I am just going to complete this video here only. And thank you so much, and bye bye.